Hello children, today I am going to introduce you some numbers. Here, the first number here, number 1. Number 1. Here, number 1. 1. 1. 1. Here, the second number is number 2. Here, 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2. 2. Here 2. This one 1. 1. Number 1. 1. 1. This is 2. 2. Number 2. Number 2. The next number here, number 3. 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 3. Here number 1. Here number 2. Here number 3. Okay. Now today I introduce 3 numbers. Next lesson I am going to introduce you another 3 numbers. Thank you very much.